Hot questions from polynomials. If root 2 is a zero of the cubic polynomial 6x cube plus root 2x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2, find its other two zeros. A cubic polynomial will have three zeros, so it is of third degree. Let px is equal to 6x cube plus root 2x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Since root 2 is a zero of px, by factor theorem, x minus root 2 is a factor of px. Now by dividing px by x minus root 2, the remainder is going to be 0 since x minus root 2 is a factor. By dividing px by x minus root 2, we will get the remainder 0. 6x cube plus root 2x squared minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Take the first term of the dividend, that is 6x cube, divided by the first term of the divisor. You get 6x squared. So that we will write it in the quotient portion. Now multiplying each term of the divisor by 6x squared. 6x squared multiplied by x minus root 2. 6x squared into x, that will be 6x cube. 6x squared into minus root 2, minus 6 root 2 x squared. Then we will subtract or adding the opposite sign. 6x cube minus 6x cube, you will get 0. Root 2 x squared plus 6 root 2 x squared will give you 7 root 2 x squared. Now writing the next term, you get minus 10x here. Now we are going to divide 7 root 2 x square minus 10x by x minus root 2. Seven root 2 x squared divided by x. 7 root 2 x squared divided by x. That will give you 7 root 2 x. Now multiplying each term, that means x minus root 2 multiplied by 7 root 2 x. X into 7 root 2 x, that will give you 7 root 2 x squared. Minus root 2 into 7 root 2 x will give you 7 into 2, that is 14, minus 14x. Again subtracting, you get minus 10 plus 4, that is 4x minus 4 root 2. Following the same steps, 4x divided by x will give you 4. Then 4 is multiplied by x minus root 2. 4x minus 4 root 2. Then subtracting, you get the remainder as 0. Now by division algorithm we get dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder. Here the dividend is px, that is 6x cube plus root 2x squared minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Divisor was x minus root 2 and the quotient 6x squared plus 7 root 2x plus 4. Remainder is 0. X minus root 2 we keep as it is. Now 6x squared plus 7 root 2x plus 4, it is a second degree polynomial that can be factorized by splitting the middle term. The product should be 24, 6 into 4, and the sum is equal to 7 root 2. So it can be split as 3 root 2x plus 4 root 2x, the middle term split. So x minus root 2 into, from the first 2 I can take 3 root 2 x common, and bracket I will get root 2x plus 1, and the second bracket should be the same, root 2x plus 1. So 4 into root 2x plus 1, that is equal to x minus root 2 into root 2x plus 1 is taken common. From the first term you get 3 root 2x, from the second term you get 4. So it is completely factorized, x minus root 2 into root 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3 root 2x plus 4. The other two zeros are obtained by solving the equations. Root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3 root 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Solving the first equation you get x is equal to minus 1 by root 2, and solving the second equation you get x is equal to minus 4 by 3 root 2. Therefore the other zeros are minus 1 by root 2 and minus 4 upon 3 root 2.